So as you know, I have been testing these lashes with Kathy, my flatmate, who's an extension lash therapist. Just trying to find the light. Where is my light? Here. As you can see, I've had quite a bit of fallout from both sides. We think it's the glue. Just to show you a little update of them being falling out. So I'm sitting here with a cappuccino. I already took off my shoes, but I'm wearing my beautiful, beautiful Gucci metallic pink. And I still have my coat on because I just went down to pick up this cappuccino. I'm gonna put some music on actually because this is so depressing. The thing with working at home, even though I love my flat and it's great and it's gorgeous, is that you kind of go out for a coffee and if you don't stay, I didn't stay because it was too busy. You just come back to this sort of intemporal nothingness, complete silence, and just, I don't know, you don't feel like, also the day is grey, because at least if it's sunny, you feel like, oh, the day has started. But when it's grey, it's just like, it doesn't exist. So I'm gonna put some music and try to perk myself up. Maybe I'll put some incense. I need to order new candle lighters because I have a lighter, it's a shitty lighter that somebody left behind. Maybe I have to put up some art. Oh, did I mention that I'm doing a new diet of excellence where I basically am trying to eat something different in every meal? So I'm following a strict variety schedule, strict variety plan. I thought it was good for, you know, whatever problems I was having, to just shake things up a lot. This is completely in opposition with everything I have decided to do before, which was always, it always had an element of restriction for me to try to also figure out what caused what problems. And, you know, also you read things and they tell you this is better for this is better for this. And there's always things that you think are bad for you anyway, like all animal products or whatever. But you know what? I have recently been faced with situations where things that I thought were really good for me were also not good for me. So in the end, I could not eat anything. And I do think at the end of the day, my conclusion is that eating a lot is the problem more than what you eat. As long as you follow basic guidelines of, you know, getting as much organic as possible and all of that. But within those parameters, I'm just eating everything. So right now I'm having regular milk in my cappuccino, which is unheard of for like the last 10 years. And once I have regular milk, then I have lactose free, then I have oat, rice, almond. I'm just mixing it up completely. I have coconut. I alternate them, so I have one each. And you know what? Ever since I've started doing this, I'm eating meat, but I'm also eating vegetables. I'm just combining everything. I'm not having a lot of anything. Ever since I've started doing that, I'm feeling great and everything in my body is just working. So also, can I tell you something really important? I want a nail polish exactly the color of these shoes, a metallic pink. I mean, this is my favorite color. It has been my favorite color for years. I actually ordered some pumps from Mariam Nasir Sadeh. the first pumps that I had ordered from her, and then Essence fucked up my order majorly. Can I tell you about this just for a minute? So I placed an order with Essence for some amazing things that I had been stalking for a while. I was so excited. I had these pumps in my size, pink, amazing. And then what they did is, after a while, I think it took them like 10 days, finally I get my order, and my order includes a bunch of stuff from Balmain Men. So obviously the wrong order. I contact them immediately. They never get back to me on the phone. I contact them on the live chat, on the email. Finally, about a week later, I managed to speak to them about having a wrong order. Instead of apologizing, they say, oh, you know, we're gonna need some proof. Miss, you have to send me some proof pictures of what you received, and please clearly indicate the label and everything. I was like, what the fuck? Like, shouldn't the priority be to get me my items? No. I still don't have my order or a refund or anything. I don't know what's going on. It's been like a month. It's like, Essence, you are a really big website. Step up your game. I'm gonna make a series of movies focusing on stuff that I can't do in East London, like entirely. Not even in the city. I have to go to West London, i.e. Oxford Street, to get. Number one thing, hairpins. I think I have found exactly what I wanted. It's this amazing shimmery metallic pink, which I have gotten by mixing these two shades. This is by Marni, and really the only reason why I went there is because I was in Shoreditch and they have a shop there, and it's the only real nail varnish shop that I can imagine in the area. So they actually have a nail salon there. It's called Marni, and I think there might be from here. This one is called Candy, and then the top coat is called Pearl, and it's exactly a metallic kind of shimmery top coat. So that's really cool, and this is actually a shimmery polish as well, which looks really good by itself, but the top coat just brings it to Space Girl territory. And you know, it looks really beautiful with my gold ring, which one of my biggest problems with this ring, and the reason why sometimes I don't wear it, is because I'm not sure of it with red nails, but I love it with pink nails. I'm gonna have a massage here. It looks really nice. I like my therapist. I'm trying something new. It's this plant milk from Botanic Lab, which has coconut milk for a change, because usually they use, I think it's cashew milk in all their products. But I love this brand, Botanic Lab. It's my favorite out of all the milk alternative brands. And this has caffeine, so it's kind of like your morning coffee. And somehow it actually tastes like chocolate. It tastes like a milkshake, but it doesn't have chocolate. It has Damiana, which I'm not sure what that is. I wonder if it's chocolatey. What I don't like about it is it has some salt thickeners, blah blah blah, which is disgusting. But I had already bought it. I'm not sure if I would buy it again, because I really don't like this thickening business. It's really nice though. I'm gonna see if the caffeine hit is like that of coffee. I'm on my way to send back that package from Essence. My print Sherlin jacket, which I really like, and my Rachel Comey shoes, I mean pants. I love Rachel Comey. There's my view. I'm in the bathroom of the Andaz Hotel in Liverpool Street. I'm actually having some sushi upstairs in the restaurant, and I just needed to visit the bathroom. It's very quiet in here. I like it though. I like privacy in the bathroom. I like really empty bathroom areas. I was having a meeting with my manager slash advisor, and we went to this coffee place. It was really nice, near Spitalfields Market. And now I'm waiting for something to get done, and I need to wait 30 minutes, so I thought I would have some food because I haven't eaten today and it's 3:30 already. So I'm gonna have a fish soup. I'm gonna be good.
But I was gonna say, what you're talking about the grad program dying.